The federal government says it has invested and is ready to vaccinate 70% of the population before the end of 2022. Mr. Boss Mustafa, chairman of the Presidential Steering Committee (PSC) on COVID-19 and secretary to the government of the Federation, said this at Nigeria's COVID-19 Summit 2021 in Abuja. On Nigeria's COVID-19 response, the SGF said it has been driven by science, data and experience since then till date. The theme of the summit is pushing through the last mile to end the pandemic and build back better.
We are now in the era of vaccines and non-pharmaceutical intervention measures. We need to encourage all eligible persons to get vaccinated and to keep observing the washing of hands, wearing of face masks, keep physical distance, and avoid crowded areas. Nigeria has invested in enough vaccines that can cover over 70% of our population before the end of 2022. These vaccines are safe, efficacious, hence it is better and safer to be vaccinated against the virus now. This summit promises to be very rewarding, and at the end, we are all expected to have carried out the following. 1, renew or review the country's COVID-19 response from February 2020 to November 2021 to identify successes, gaps, and lessons to be learned. 2, identify resources and develop strategies that will actualize the country's expressed international commitments towards ending COVID-19 by 31st of December 2022. 3, develop an accountability framework for COVID-19 response and health security in Nigeria. 4, synthesize the blueprint for Nigeria's pandemic recovery reconstruction, health security, and sustainability. And 5, articulated actionable recommendations to President Muhammadu Buhari on the governance structure, resources, and policies needed to end COVID-19 in Nigeria by 31st December 2022 and build back the health system and the economy to better respond to future health security threats. The national response has been driven by a multi-sectoral process which facilitated expansive and in-depth consideration of issues as well as speedy decision-making. The process enjoyed the overwhelming support of the partners from the private sector and the international community. Through these partners, Nigeria was able to put in place critical infrastructure nationwide, procure scarce medical equipment, test kits, and personal protective materials,